Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I build a HR CV screening process inside in N8N. If your HR team is struggling with your CV screening process, this video for you. It will reduce all your time.
It's the workflow start here. It's run on the schedule only on office hour, and I set the count up this way, and it read the last updated time run when the script run, and based on that the find is found here, and based on that it fetches all unread recent email, so it will not be conflict, and we get the email like this, and if it batch then it send it to loop one by one. Now one email sent it to candidate data extraction. So here what happened? The workflow pick the email and it extract the candidate name, email, phone number, position, and CV attachment. It also handle two types of application differently. Direct email gets the sender address, but website form submission gets the real candidate email pulled from the body. So that we did here. And there is a validation gate. So before we spend a AI credit, we have to make sure the email is valid and not incomplete. It check email is fresh, or all the conditions are here. So even if a attachment CV or everything, if it's no, then it's go to here incomplete. If it's yes, then we are going to the next step. Now two things happen. First, workflow check the Google Sheet if the candidate has applied before or not, and the second, we have an open position, the position name and all the AI guidelines are written there. So these are the first candidate apply, we can put it here, all the information, to making sure that we should not have a duplicate, and we put the position and some status, and we put the instruction for the AI, and it's coming from the HR department. And if the email already exists, found, already applied before, then it will go to the false. If it's not applied before, then it's coming to the open post. Let me click here and check how it goes. Okay, so now the AI email classification. So AI email classification actually is not CV screening. It's the first check if the email actually a job application for the active job post. So we create a built prompt, and then we are put an LLM classifier. The model is here and is connected to the chat model. Alright, Gemini we are used here, and then we parse it. Which role they are applying for? Is this role currently open? Is return a status. Let me show you. It's return like confidence, role match, reason. They write a reason. Okay, so it's a classifier for the email. If it's real application, then it goes to yes term. If it no, then it goes to the false. So now go back to the AI CV screening against the criteria, the main workflow. So this is the core of the whole workflow. The CV and role specific criteria go to Gemini. It evaluates experience, skill, employment status, and any gap. It comes back with a score, pass, hold, or fail. These criteria come entirely from your recruitment Google Sheets. The criteria we set on the positions is coming from the here, and we have our own, build a prompt. The prompt is here. So all a prompt based on that is decision. Let me check what it comes to the decision here. So let me go to JSON. This is my one. Okay, all right, I put my one sample email. So it said score 7. This is pass. All right, great. So it goes to the pass. Now I have a decision branch. If it's pass, it goes to the another branch. If it's hold, it goes to the another one. If it's failed, then it's go back to the loop. So let's go to the, as it's already passed, so let me click here. So now candidate response automation. So we get two kind of email, one from website form and another from direct email. So if someone send from the website form, we reply to the, we create a new email for them for the next step. And if someone directly send to or inbox, we reply directly to them on that thread. So this way these two work. See, this is for the new email. We put the subject, and this is the reply email, okay, of that thread. So next step is logging, labeling, and completion. So log parser actually parse the data to prepare for Google Sheet, and then if it's new applicant, then we apply label, mark as read, and log the applicant in the Google Sheet. So later when we fetch the data, it will check if the candidate duplicate or not. So that's it. So the email will get, and this is our one of the loop return, and it goes to the here. Let me run it. So it will goes to the return. Let's see it come to here. So this way, actually, whole loop is work. So that's the full CV screening automation from Sarwar Lab. Schedule, run, smart parsing, AI classification, Gemini, CV screening, automated reply, and full logging. All one end-to-end workflow. Drop a comment if you want to build like this or want to get this workflow from me, and I'll email you. Bye.